On the edge of a quiet coastal village, an elderly fisherman begins another day beside the sea. Each morning he stands at the harbor, watching the gentle waves roll beneath the rising sun. The ocean has been part of his life for as long as he can remember. Inside his small workshop, he carefully repairs old fishing nets. His hands move slowly and steadily, shaped by years of experience and patience. As evening light fills the room, he opens a wooden box and finds a faded photograph. For a moment, memories return, faces, journeys, and stories carried away by time. When a new day arrives, the work is finished. The nets are repaired, the boat is ready, and he sets out once more across the calm water. The golden sea stretches endlessly before him as the sun begins to set. And there, beneath the colors of the evening sky, he discovers what he has always been searching for. Not in the ocean, but in the quiet peace of the journey itself.